Mentally skilled, physically too. Yeah, eat beats like meals, this one's grandma stew. Yeah, got my hands on the wheel, don't make me handle you too. I do this shit with no hands, Bluetooth. Honestly waiting for my chance to shine up on them. Got that cushion, it's so loud like a fucking lion roaring. So I be high like an eagle, I am soaring. My girl, she is dope, she foreign. Sing these dudes like Hornets, Eric Gordon.
Oh, I said stop and let the beat hit. Writer's block, I swear, but you can never see it. My achievements are past that. Past tense, now past back. Hit 'em with a couple fast, look at the snapback. Cody, where my goal that only Bodman knows that. A couple throwbacks, could you catch it if I throw that? Ask him just to hold that. The thoughts I never hold back. And since I'm about to make it, I guess you could say I own rap.
Took my time, I've been down and I got up. Searching for a way, I found a notebook and I brought up times where I was sitting just ignoring what they caught up. These other artists jacking trends I already thought of. Gosh, the flow is devilish, must call me Satan. The moves I'm making, my life's on the bottom line, I'm racing. When coming famous, the goals are hating. I'm steady baking, this medical simply for meditation.